Alright, been doing some shooting, did some cold shots that were really good, but for some reason I cut the video off before I got down to the target. So I'm just doing some shooting. I gotta say, I'm really jealous of the people that are out there doing 3D shoots with no snow on the ground. We got a blizzard coming tonight. We got a foot snow a couple days ago, and but it was heavy enough that it settled down the really light fluffy snow that we had on the ground. But not looking forward to another storm. But let's go see what we can do. About 22 yards. The wind's starting to pick up right now. Oh, fifth one was low. Hair low. See if we can keep the video running this time until I get down here. My cold shots were absolutely perfect. But yeah, like I said, I cut the video off. I don't know why. It looks like I got two that are fairly low. I see that all right. Two right underneath. All right, thanks for watching.